I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to plant acorns in Terraria. Planting acorns is a simple yet essential task for any player, as trees provide a renewable source of wood, a fundamental crafting material. To begin, you will need an acorn and a suitable spot. Ensure there are at least 2 blocks of open space directly above where you intend to plant. The type of tree that grows depends on the block you plant the acorn on. Most common trees grow on grass, dirt, snow, or sand. For specialized trees like jungle trees, you will need mud blocks in the jungle biome. Ash trees require ash blocks in the underworld. Remember, planter boxes offer flexibility, letting you grow trees in many locations. Proper spacing is crucial for successful tree growth. You should plant acorns with at least 3 empty blocks between them horizontally for most trees. Vertically, most saplings need 16 tiles of clear space above them, while palm trees require 30 tiles. Interestingly, background walls will not prevent your trees from growing, so feel free to build behind them. Different biomass and block types yield various trees. Regular acorns on grass grow forest trees, while on snow blocks they become boreal trees. Planting on sand in an ocean biome will give you palm trees. For efficient resource gathering, consider setting up a dedicated tree farm. This ensures a steady supply of wood for all your crafting needs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.